The municipality was permitted to fill up 13 posts.
Initially 13.
Right.
Thereafter, my lord, 4 additional.
Extra.
Yes,
18.
total 17.
17.
Now, what they did,
3.
your lordship,
Serial number 3.
page 3,
Yes.
clause 3.
Yes.
In the, your lordship, kindly keep in mind that permission has been given for 17. In the final panel of candidates, as approved by both the selection committee and the board of councillors, it is observed that you propose 11 candidates belonging to unreserved category for the post of teacher as against 5 vacancies, and subsequently gave appointment to 11 unreserved candidates. Total appointment given to 17 candidates, that is all the posts were filled up. Very well. Next. Thus, it is quite clear that you gave appointment of 11 candidates belonging to unreserved category by grossly violating your declared vacancy. Different categories mentioned in the employment notification. Being recruiting authority, it was the responsibility of the municipality to give appointment as per roster notified in the recruitment notice. Next clause. 4. As per final panel prepared on the combined marks of written test and interview of teachers belonging to unreserved exempted category, it has been observed that the proposed candidate, Sri Panchami Das, Srimati Panchami Das Poddar, jointly hold 6th position along with other 2 candidates among the total 12 candidates. 12 candidates appeared. Next, in her order dated 20th of July, has quoted your lordship's order. Writ petition is disposed of, directing municipality to hold interview of candidates who were restrained from participating in the same, and to assess the comparative merit of the candidates by adding the marks obtained in the written test as well as the interview, and thereafter select the best candidates. Next, then, by order dated 5th of August,
Then by order dated 5/8.
Then by order dated 5th of August 2022, a clarification of the judgment passed on 20th of July 22 that all along the intention of the court was that trained candidates be given preference to the untrained ones strictly in terms of the recruitment notice dated such and such. Now, clause 6, very important. In the recruitment notice dated 11th of May 2017, it is stated that the selection of the candidates will be made on the basis of written interview, and the criteria of how to select the candidate having junior basic training over other candidates in case of disparity in scores was not indicated in the above recruitment notice. Therefore, it is deduced that the preference to the trained teachers may be given if in the merit list the combined score, written test and interview of untrained teacher and trained teacher are same. But in the final
Tell me
panel,
one thing.
yes,
The panel in question, from where 17 appointments were given,
Yes.
has this panel been approved?
no, panel, your lordship, kindly your last clause 10, page 4. You have proposed to give appointment to Sri Panchami Das Poddar.
Tell
Again,
me whether the panel has been approved or not.
could not be.
So all these 17 appointments, they are working.
No. My lord, this panel could not be because Panchami Das, because of the anomalies
Here
committed
it
by
is mentioned that the subsequently appointment has been given to 11 unreserved candidates. Total 17
it
candidates
is
have
not
been.
submitted by Varnagar municipality.
Did you approve the panel or not?
No, my lord, we have asked for certain queries. Queries could not be fulfilled by the Varnagar municipality.
So all the 17 candidates, their service has not been approved.
Just a minute.
approved.
No, ওরা কি এক কাজ করছে?
Who is present online?
What
What is your designation?
Just, your lordship,
No, yes,
my
yes.
client,
Who is present online?
Sir, আমি তাপস কুমার বাগচি, DLB, Director of Local Bodies. I am present, madam.
All right, tell me one thing, whether the panel that has been prepared by the Boranagar municipality forwarded to you has been approved or not?
It has been given approval. It has been given approval, madam.
Given approval.
How could you give approval after you notice that there has been illegal appointments?
Madam, actually,
Say my lord.
DLB was not a party at the initial stage.
Madam,
We were added later.
Madam,
We did not know it, but it has come to our notice afterwards.
Before noticing the panel, you go and give appointments and approval of appointments.
No, madam. Only we gave approval. Appointment was given by chairman, by the selection
Chairman
committee.
has given the appointment and you have approved it. So what does this mean? That you are part of the racket that is going on in the municipality?
Smiling.
Madam, we give only approval at appointment being made by the chairman, by the selection committee at the municipality level.
Whatever is placed in front of you, will you go and approve it?
No.
How could you give appointment to these illegal approval to all these illegal appointments? What that you have forwarded clearly mentions that there were only 5 vacancies in the unreserved category.
Yes.
You have given the municipality appointed 11 candidates. What happened to these 6 extra who were appointed? How could you approve their appointment? Who is advising you from your side? Who is there in your right side and in your left side? Who are you?
Madam, I'm Arudatta, Joint Director of Local Bodies.
All right. Is the director not aware of the facts of the case?
He's aware. At that time, nobody was there. We have just found out after checking all the documents. We have prepared this report, madam. Madam, I'm coming back to your question whether the approval was given by the DLB or not. It was given by the DLB. Actually, the process was that after the recruitment process, the municipality normally sends the panel with the approval of the selection committee and the BOC. And based on the document, at that time, the process was not there. The vacancy as per notified in the recruitment notice was checked. So initially, the approval was given, what we have seen in the papers at that time. The approval was given based on the documents submitted by the municipality, all the documents like their date of birth and normal qualifications, all these things, and the approval from the selection committee and the board of councillors. Based on that, approval was given, madam. But at that time, the office of the DLP was not aware of the vacancy, as we have deduced from the files.
So only when the matter is before the court and there is an order of appointment of the petitioner, you unearth that there were illegal appointments being given. What do you propose to do to these illegal appointments?
Since, madam, the vacancies were not... Madam, I am audible, madam?
Certainly.
Madam, since the vacancies were not notified, in that way, this kind of appointment against out of the way of is not actually acceptable.
What do you propose to do with the appointments which are not acceptable?
Madam,
Madam, you say my lord.
Please wait. Yes. What do you propose to do with these illegal appointees?
Madam, it's difficult for me to suggest anything about this illegal appointees.
It seems the end illegal. Now, when the petitioner has been directed to be given appointment, you raise various issues. The vacancy is not there. The vacancies were not there when the other 5 unreserved candidates were given appointment. Then their services are liable to be terminated. And at the same time, the person who approved the panel without looking into the documents, steps ought to be taken against him also. Do you follow what the court is intending to say?
Yes, madam, we got the point. But unfortunately, those officers dealing with the file then at that time, nobody is here. Almost everyone is retired from the service. So we didn't get the response from them. Just the document available with us.
Now that the persons have retired, but it has come to your knowledge that these appointments are illegal, you can always take steps to recall the approval. UREC, how many are there? Please see.
I'm the only candidate who is straight. No other person was straight. It was a contested hearing before your lordship.
Yes, I remember the contested hearing. But now see what it has come out. And Boranagar municipality, see what you have done.
Well, Lordship, kindly consider this. On the last
No, he
occasion-
says,
I tell you, on the last occasion, when the matter
please
was-
come before the microphone. The director can hear what the municipality stand is.
On the last occasion, when your
The mic
lordship was hearing this matter, my lord, our communication made on behalf of the DLB was pending before us. Lordship directed us to give reply to that, and let us see what happens. Well, this is a reply. I filed on the first occasion, I filed an affidavit of complaints. My lord was satisfied that your lordship's order has been fully complied with. The petitioner also said that no, we are also satisfied with the contempt or the actions taken therein. Now, my lord, this communication we had made reply to the lordship, kindly sees. This is another affidavit of complaints that I am filing today, my lord.
Copy देवे.
Copy नहीं है. But we have categorically replied to their communication that yes. Yes, we had made categorical, my lord, statement.
So UREC, according to you, is lying vacant.
But that is what our records say. This, my lord, the chairman herself, my lord, consulted the records. We have taken some time. The chairman consulted the records. After going through the records, my lord, this reply was prepared. Because I told them, be very, very sure, whatever way you answer, because it's a content before the Honorable High Court, so you have to take the matter very seriously. But the chairman herself had took it on herself, my lord. She personally checked out the records. She made the other persons also work. Then, my lord, this reply was prepared and sent over to the DLB. Now, my lord, today, whatever is coming from the DLB, I have to check up. Because no,
A
the
chart
notice-
has been given
I have
by
seen the
the
chart. Lordship kindly sees. That-
UREC.
Yes,
plus
my lord,
1,
kindly
3.
no.
Page number 3.
Yes,
As
that
per-
I have checked out. That I have seen.
See, the initial permission UREC was 2. Page number 3,
Yes.
the first column, UREC, there were 2 vacancies.
My lord is looking at
Page number, the report that
Page
has been filed by the state today.
page number
Page number
two,
2,
two,
the
yes.
first box. First box.
First box, yes. But the
Second
unreserved
last
EC was
entry.
2, yes. The unreserved EC was 2.
Next page, you just turn over, you see,
Five.
UREC is 2 plus 1. That means 1 extra joins. 3.
Yes, unreserved EC becomes 2 plus 1, 3.
Now you say that there is 1 post lying vacant. Where from does the vacancy come? If there were initially 2 sanctioned vacancies, 1 has been given
Already
extra.
Extra, yes.
Still you have 1 vacancy?
My lord, this I have to check up.
Whoa, what is happening with your
I do
records?
not know, but I have to check up.
Now the court will be constrained to set aside the entire recruitment.
Lordship need not do anything right now. Lordship gives me a couple of weeks time, my lord. I'll come back with further instructions.
Couple of weeks, this lady is without a job.
But
She
my
is going
this
to come
this has
here.
happened. What has happened? I have to take responsibility. I'll see. I'll check up everything, my lord. As to how, my lord, the
What
vacancies
is
have been
the
filled
age
up.
of this lady now? What is the age of the
Petitioner is now aged. কত বলা আছে তো?
39? She was 39 or 40 years of age, right?
Yes.
Now, the next writ petition will be provided she is given appointment for grant of notional benefit from the date the others were appointed. This lady did not work for a single day.
No.
Now, notional benefit the court has to grant because of the pendency of the litigations.
Yes.
And you are responsible for this.
Well, I'll check up. I'll check up the records. How much this has happened. Now, this 24th July, my lord, has today been placed before your lordship by the DLB, and I received a copy. I'll check up with my client, my lord.
I'll place the matter next Thursday.
Next Thursday. Wait,
And whoever is present online will remain present online on the next day also.
Let them be physically present. They are addressing your lordship not properly. This is not tolerable. People are
Wait.
hearing it.
Please
lordship,
wait.
this is next Thursday.
Let
Please
them hear
come.
and learn how to address the court.
They have to learn a lot of things.
And let them.
Now, if we are to sit over here to teach them, then we'll go on holding classes and the matters will not be disposed of. Acha, affidavit of compliance filed by the chairperson of Boranagar municipality.
Boronagar Municipality.
This is my
And-
second. Lordship, kindly record. This is my second affidavit of complaint.
If Boranagar municipality affirmed on 16th of July 2024,
তাদের mind আটকালেই হবে।
and the report forwarded by the director of local bodies dated 24th of July 2024 be retained with the records. Stop paragraph. Of the not report, the affidavit of the municipality mentions that there is 1 post lying vacant from the 17 number of approved posts in the UREC category. Stop. The municipality proposes to appoint the petitioner in the said category. Paragraph. The report of the DLB is otherwise. It mentions that the proposal for giving approval to the petitioner for appointment cannot be considered. Stop. The contention of the municipality and the DLB are diametrically opposite. Stop. The report of the DLB suggests that appointments were not made in terms of the recruitment notice. Stop. Paragraph. The contemners are directed to come up with necessary instruction to find out a solution to the impasse that has been created. List the matter once again on 29th August. Stop. The Director of Local Bodies and the officers assisting the Director of Local Bodies shall remain virtually present.
My lord, only one thing. But could I get 1 more week's time?
No, I won't.
I'll have to check up the records myself.
Please check up immediately.
That is why.
Contempt matters, no further
Item
leniency.
1 on the Thursday week, my lord.
I am not going to give you even a
Because my
minute.
lord, there are a lot of records that has to be gone into.
Please
That,
check up.
that is why my lord, I was just beseeching.
And I tell you,
Yes, my lord.
the court will be constrained to set aside the entire
That might
recruitment process.
That is there that your lordship will consider.
You
Only
see-
one thing, some more time.
You come, no
Okay.
time will be given.
1 more week only. Like
No.
Item 1 on Thursday.
Not at all. Call the next matter.